now in SM, and Kuya Tranks and Chikay are doing art workshop. Yan. So, yan, yung mga video clips nila, i-attach ko na lang kanina ng nag-work sila sa kanilang art. Okay, so summer fun.
Done na ko na siya.
This is the teacher.
Hello.
What's your name again?
Tessa Blend.
We have a vlog, so. Okay, so, yan. Ito si Ma'am Tess. Thank you so much, Ma'am.
You're welcome.
I'll take a picture of you. Hi, Chikay. Oh. Hey, Ma'am. Thank you for the assistance.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile.
Picture will help. Happy people help. Wow. See the colors there? We have pink and red and what color is this one? Yellow. This one. Purple. This one. Yellow. This one. Green. How about this one? Red. Very good. Wow, nice. We'll let this dry. No? And then we're going to peel off the paper. Okay, very good. At the side of plane, you want to peel it off na? You want to get na? Wait lang, kuna ni teacher diri. Wait lang ha. Gusto na ni mo i-get ang color? Gusto na ka? Sige.
You want to peel off na? Ha?
Ha?
Okay.
Let's use this one.
You listen to teacher.
Okay, mo rin. Buta yung siya laing color para di kayo blank na lang.
Di siya ganun.
Okay. Fresh back.
You wanna use it here?
Okay.
You want it blue? What if blue? That's red. Red.
Wow, nice Chikay.
One dark blue. Use this brush.
This one na lang. Teacher will help you with this one.
You use this brush.
Okay.
Nice sharp either. If you want to change the color, you just wash your brush and then choose a color and you add water. You add water. Spray. What color do you want to use?
Trash.
Careful.
Palihog pa ng trash ninyo kay maglutop sa table.
White. If it's striped white.
Give it to me.
That's clean white.
Chikay, give it to Ate Nate. Pa ni Ate, nag-use pa sila yung as teacher.
You wash your brush here.
Okay, I'll help. Teacher will help. Very good.
And then you use this way.
Nice siya mag-wash yung color. Okay, mag-wash ka later, no? Okay, naapa?
You're ready.
How about here? Ituyo ko ni teacher para dali ra. Okay.
Do you want to try that?
Ang ko kuya ha. Wait home.
Nice seahorse, yeah?
What are you doing, kuya? Wow. What's that? Shell? Oh. Teach ka ni. I say thank you. Are you enjoying, kuya? Ha? Enjoy ka? Ha? Enjoy ka? Only that color? Orange lang? Don't want to mix? Okay. What else do you want to draw?
You want to paint it now? Slowly.
Make pa a lot.
Meanwhile.
Lagi. Kaya mag-paint-paint ako sila sa iyo kasi shoot ko. Thank you, Ma'am Tess, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go na. Let's go, Chikay. Let's go. Come here. Ayan sila. Done na sa kanilang arts. And now, yan. Wow, we will put it in our frame. The point is. Yan. So, andito kami sa sa Girl Year.
Hello.
Hi to our vlog. Lovely vlog. Ayan. So, I bought them some set for the kids. Ayan.
You have 4 years old to 10 childs. This is for free.
Yeah.
We have free assessment for ages 4 to 10 years old.
Yeah. So they're here in SM Ormoc. Yan. SM Ormoc. Visit them.
This one, baby, you try.
Mura na lang talaga, as in.
This one.
A few moments later.
You get number
This will
1.
be their assessment.
You open number 1, this one. Then you find like this. Look ha, white, red, yellow, and green. You find the same shape and the same order of color.
Oh, this one. This one.
Is that one?
Oh,
This is
good
red
job,
man and this is white. Alright, that one. Very good. Next, number 2.
7. What is this? Oh, where's the
Okay, very good. Next.
Asya yun, naka-answer na siya, ma.
Yan, so ito din si Kuya Trump. Si Sir. Nag-assess. See? You think, Kuya, ha? You think, ha?
Alright, that
So
one.
that you will be
Number
perfect,
five.
ha?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green. Okay. Look carefully kayo. Oh, same shapes but different colors.
11. Wow, nag-participate man siya, ma.
Manahan, gigay na siya.
Your youngest one is almost
Kaba
done.
ka, kaba mo sir, ma'am. Mag-goal ba na siya basta mag-absent siya sa tutor.
Meanwhile,
Hi guys! So we're here now in Mang Inasal and we will eat first.
I'm done.
Kuya's here. Yeah, and we're done with the assessment in Grow Year. Yun. Nakabili talaga kami ng 2 sets.
And I don't know. And I
What?
know how to paint and I'm done the painting.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Dahil na sila sa kanilang painting na dito sa Kabutanganan. Dahil na sila sa painting workshop. Thank you, Ma'am Tess Magdadaro Ablen. So, ililink ko yung Facebook page niya. Baka may mga summer workshop sila or summer class or yung mga sessions lang if your child are interested to do arts
I don't know how
and crafts.
to paint.
You know how, eh? You have a nice painting. Ayan. So, kakain lang muna kami while waiting for Daddy. At saka, ayun. Baka punta kami ng Quantum. Okay, bye guys. Balikan ko kayo later. Ayan, nandito si Daddy. Galing sa sayaw-sayaw dance. Ayan. Daddy, okay. Are you hungry? Yes. Kasi sayaw siya ng sayaw sa folk dance para sa presentation nila, teachers.
Sana all.
Okay, we're done eating now. We're done eating now.
Next, we're gonna go to the Quantum.
Yan, after month.
Next,
Okay.
we're gonna
We
go
will
to
play
Quantum.
in Quantum.
meanwhile,
Hey guys, we're
Hi.
here.
In Quantum SM. SM branch. Yan, si Daddy nag-play. Yan, maglaro lang muna kami saglit. Tapos uwi na kami. Yan na pala. Ito na pala yung nabili namin sa Grolier. Yan. Ito yung parang isang set ng animals. Tapos ito mamaya i-haul ko sa bahay. Ito. Yan, chika. Yan. Hi guys. We're playing here in Kwarto. Okay. Oh, yun. Ay, naku. Sige na, you play na. Balikan ko kayo later, guys. Ayan, si Daddy nag-play ng fish. Dito ako maglalaro. Ina-fix ko lang. Titirahin ko lang yung mga fish.
Meanwhile.
Hi guys! So we are on our way home from SM.
Sorry guys, I look like Moana.
Oh my gosh. You look like Moana? Really? Yan, nandun yung mga kids sa likod. Nagpabili ng balloon. Sa kay Kuya yung SpongeBob. Tapos Moana kay Chikay. And yan. Mamaya pag uwi, papakita ko sa inyo yung nabili namin sa Grolier. Tsaka yan. So maganda siya. As in talaga, ma-enhance talaga yung thinking skills ng mga kids. Kasi in-assess kanina si Trunks at saka si Chikay. At yun nga, na-realize ko na maganda din na parang ibalik sa dati na ano sila ba? Parang gusto nila yung books. Kasi more on gadgets na kasi yung mga kids ngayon eh. Diba? Unlike before na talagang nagre-research talaga sa library, naghahanap talaga sa library ng mga assignment, kailangan talaga yung books, ganyan. So parang I'll try to introduce to them na yung same way ng na-learn namin ng daddy nila before. So punta muna kami kay Mami Lola saglit para ibalik yung speakers na hiniram. Uwi na kami. Balikan ko kayo later, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, welcome back to our channel. And ngayon, dumating na kami sa bahay from SM at ito ang aming bodol.
And
So,
guys,
ito yung
we forgot Kuya, but Kuya's getting Ate Nicole.
Oh, yan. Explain siya. Kaya wala yung kuya niya kasi sinundo pa si friend Nicole na mag-sleep over tonight dito sa bahay. Because it's weekend. Kaya yun.
And
So,
guys,
ito yung first set na nabili namin. Ito yung Fun Thinkers. Ito yung Fun Thinkers. Bali, ito yan. 20 books na siya. Ayun, ano po?
Sa loob.
Ayun, ano? Bila na tanan. Usa mo siya.
What's that?
20, yan. At saka ito yung freebie nila na parang mga animals. Ayan. So, may mga birds, mga animal encyclopedia, yan, plants, may science, may planet Earth, my universe, tapos water life, mammals, birds, insects, history, yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, before, this is 29,800 at saka now, it's only 16,900 if cash. Pero pwede siyang 5 months to pay and it will become 18,900. So, magda-down lang daw ng 4,900. Yan. So, ito yung talagang, yung sa video clip, ito yung assessment nila. So, may mga different levels. Yan. Si Chikay, may different levels. Tsaka ito, yan, yung ano nila. So, kung correct lahat, magiging correct yung mga colors sa answer key. Ganyan. So, idadala mo din namin to siya pag, yan, kahit 15 minutes lang, you will spend time with your kids. Just to, yun nga, bring back the old times na they will be using books. Kasi iba pa rin syempre pag talagang, ano sa book? Ang guide, parents guide. Kaya yan, parents guide. Tsaka, may, ano din, hard level din. Kasi, so may easy level, moderate, at tsaka, yan. Ito mga, ano na to, mga hard level na. Tsaka, maganda dito kasi may mga abstract. So, sa mga assessment, in the near future, kasi gusto ko nga mag-aral si Chikay sa STED. So, may assessment siya. So, sana makapasa para doon siya sa special class. At saka ito, kasi na-intriga talaga ako sa about science na books. Ayan! So, yan. So, ito naman, I wonder why ng mga books, ano siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kuya is here. So, ito siya.
Kuya, you sit down here.
Yan. Ito yung book. Tapos, meron siyang pen. So, i-on mo yung pen. Tapos, i-charge. Tapos, after mo siyang i-on, i-click here muna to activate. Diba? Tapos, yan, may mga story na. So, for example, ayan. Activate na. So, yan. 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 So, may sound siya na nag-blow ng balloon ang girl. Diba? So, when you press to the bold letters, oh, yan. Planets. Mag-explain siya, what is planets? Tapos, if you want to stop, then click mo tong stop. Yan. Tapos, after which, meron din siyang mga question and answer portion. True or false? Oh, yan. Pag correct ang answer mo, they will say correct. Pag wrong, mute siya. Wala siyang i-mention kahit.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yan. So, marami siyang klaseng, yan, ito, mga stars twinkle, at saka, yan. So, yan, 12 books siya. So, this cost 10,000 pag bumili ka nito. Yan. So, gagamitin namin to, mag-schedule kami every day. So, yan. Different days for Chika. Yan. Rechargeable siya and 1-year warranty. So, yan. If you guys are in Ormoc or kahit naman siguro sa, kasi before they were in Tacloban, Robinson's Tacloban. So, yan. So, if you guys are interested, napaka magandang investment to kahit mahal. Kasi, talaga magagamit ng mga kids. So, yun lang guys. Siguro, on our upcoming vlogs, makikita nyo siguro pag magka-time ako, yun naman na, super busy, charot. Kasi work pa, tapos, siguro kahit lang mga 5 to 15 minutes, bibigyan ko sila ng time. Sige, example. Ito lang. Example. So, yan. Example lang. Kasi pinakita na namin to kanina nung nag-assess sila kay Chikay at kay Trunks. Tsaka magandang bonding na din to sa mga kids. At tsaka isa pa, alam niyo naman yung mga kids, they don't like yung parang boring learning. So, para siyang games. So, yan. Parang interested talaga sila. So, same nito. Example.
I'm gonna try it, Mom.
Yeah.
Sige, let's
Wait. Okay. So, ganyan siya.
Yay! I'm gonna answer.
Okay, you wait
Ako
siya.
mag-answer me.
Hindi kaya ganyan, easy man siya. So, example, this one.
Okay.
So, Chikay will get the number 1. So, nakikita niya, red. So, where's the red? Where's the red? No. Are you sure? This is the red? Okay, so ilagay niya dyan. So, yan. Pag na-complete na niya lahat, yan, number 2. Where's the, what color is this? Yan, orange. Closer ha, closer Jude. Na color. This one? Okay. So yan, pag na-complete na yan lahat, tapos titingnan dito kung yan. Kung ano yung correct, nandito yung answer key sa mga parents. Yan. May parents guide din siya. So yun lang, guys. Tapos, easy to hard, ano na talaga siya level.
Level 6 to level 1.
Level 6 to level 1, di ka sa 6. Level 1.
Level 1 to level 6. Mommy, I wanna do it by
So,
my own.
yeah, we will try on our next vlog, okay? So, magre-rest muna kami ngayon, tapos mag-edit-edit na lang ako mamaya ng vlog namin. I-edit ko muna yung ano, kasi long overdue na yun. Nauna pa yung Mother's Day. Long overdue na yung pagpanganak ni Windy, yung golden retriever namin. Edit ko muna yun para ma-upload ko na din. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like our videos, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye, mga kabukis. Say bye. Bye, kabukis.
Bye, mga daddies.
Say bye, kabukis.
Bye-bye, daddy.